Did you know that Amazon accounts for nearly 40% of all e-commerce sales in the US? That's a lot of people shopping every second. And guess what? You don't need to be Jeff Bezos to grab a slice of that pie. Imagine this as me. Instead of just adding things to your cart on Amazon, you're making money while others shop. Sound impossible? Nope. It's easier than you think. Today, I'll show you 7 powerful ways to make money with Amazon, even if you're just starting out. Ready to dive in? Let's go! 1. Join Amazon's affiliate program. Amazon Associates is one of the easiest ways to get started. You recommend products, share your affiliate link, and earn a commission for every sale. Here's a tip. Choose a niche you love, like fitness gear or tech gadgets, and create content around it. Blog posts, social media, or YouTube videos. And don't forget to spice it up with humor. For example, this air fryer changed my life. Now I burn fewer calories than I eat. 2. Sell on Amazon FBA. Fulfilled by Amazon. Amazon FBA is like having your own online store, but Amazon does most of the work. Storage, shipping, customer service. You just send them the products. Pro tip, start with small, trending items like phone accessories or kitchen gadgets. Keep it light and relatable, like, I never knew selling spatulas could pay my rent. 3. Publish eBooks with Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Got a story to tell or expertise to share? Self-publish an ebook on Amazon Kindle. It's a great way to earn passive income, and you don't even need to be a professional writer. Guides, recipes, or even short stories work. Tip: add a catchy title like How to Survive Mondays Without Coffee to grab attention. 4. Sell handmade items with Amazon Handmade. If you're crafty, Amazon Handmade is perfect for selling your unique creations. Jewelry, home decor, art, you name it. Bonus, share a behind-the-scenes story of how you make your items. Something like, every bracelet comes with a free sprinkle of glitter on my desk. 5. Offer the services on Amazon. Home services. Are you handy with tools, tech, or organizing? Amazon Home Services connects you with customers looking for help in areas like home improvement, cleaning, or tech setup. It's a win-win. Help someone assemble a bookshelf while you assemble your bank balance. 6. Start an Amazon merch store. Design t-shirts, t-shirts, mugs, or hoodies, and sell them through Amazon Merch. You upload the design, and Amazon handles production and shipping. Tip: go for trendy slogans like Alexa, buy my shirt, but make sure it's original. 7. Use Amazon Mechanical Turk, M-Turk. If you're looking for quick tasks that pay, M-Turk is your answer. You can do things like data entry, surveys, or transcription work. It's not a gold mine, but hey, every little bit helps. Think of it as earning snack money while binging your favorite Netflix show. Which of these strategies are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more creative ways to earn money online.